Hi there friends, welcome back to What's Cooking Today on Perfect Eats. If you guys are new here, my name is Emma and I make easy breezy recipes for all you new cooks out there. Today we're gonna make some super fluffy pancakes. So here are the ingredients that you'll need. I'm using all-purpose flour, some sugar, baking powder, baking soda, salt, fresh milk, butter, vanilla extract, an egg, and a couple of chocolate chips. So let's get started. We're gonna pour in that right there is 1 cup of all-purpose flour. If you guys don't have measuring cups, I bought this from Shopee. They're less than $2. So we're gonna add in another cup right there. So total you would need 2 cups of all-purpose flour. I'm gonna add in 1 cup of sugar. Next, you're gonna add in the baking soda. I'm just gonna use about 1 teaspoon of baking soda to add into the mixture. And we're gonna add in some baking powder. Now, baking soda and baking powder are 2 different things, alright guys? So right here, I'm gonna add in 4 teaspoons of baking powder into that dry mixture. Next, we add in some salt. You don't want to add in too much, so I'm just going to add about half a teaspoon of salt. Next, we're going to need some fresh milk. I'm using some low-fat milk, but you can use any type of milk really. So right there, I'm adding about 1 cup of fresh milk into the mixture. Alright guys, we're almost there. We're gonna need some butter. I am adding about 1/4 cup of butter. You're gonna need your measuring cup for this. That's why I say this measuring cup is a really good investment. They're less than $2 in Shopee, guys. Next, we're gonna use some vanilla flavoring. I am adding just 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavoring into the mixture. And we're almost there. We're gonna crack an egg and start whipping up the entire mixture together. Now we're gonna set a medium flame to the pan. This pan right here is really useful if you guys love to eat pancakes. You guys can invest in this. I got them from Shopee, guys. I will link them in the description below. So right here, I am just drizzling the molds with butter and scooping with a ladle an amount of the mixture into the molds. Now for the mixture that you've mixed up earlier, you can actually drizzle some chocolate chips of any amount that you prefer. But just to show you clearer, I have drizzled some of the chocolate chips right on top of the mixture. And we're almost done. Now in fact, for this step, you guys can add in basically any type of toppings that you guys like into your mixture. And slowly just wait for it to rise. Look at how beautiful is that, you guys. And once it's ready, start flipping them. And once they're ready, just place them on your plate. And look at that, super fluffy pancakes. And what I normally do is I just drizzle with a couple of icing sugar right there. If you have maple syrup, you can drizzle on them. Right here, I'm just using honey because that's just my preference. I like it. And don't forget to add some melted butter. And that's it, you guys. Super fluffy pancakes. Isn't it really easy? I promised you so. So be sure to like and subscribe to my channel for more easy, breezy recipes. Bye!